Hello, everybody. We're going to talk about some things actually this evening about having a digital notebook. It's called a digital notebook, not like the PC notebook that we have, but this is actually an application of Pathway. We it tends to look like a tablet really, but thinner than a tablet, and it has the function of a pathway. So, for example, it's your digital notebook because you can actually get so many things into it through the pathway. You don't need a microphone, you don't need a camera, you don't need an internet access. You only need what is required here as the pathway. For example, actually, once you type in your modular code into this very place and click OK, and then click that means you have to create a path for your iCloud here, and then there will be other functions actually spelled out in the digital notebook. Once you have your modular code and your iCloud spelled out, definitely your pathway will definitely work very well and bring you informations into your notebook. Like when you have your modular code here and your iCloud instructed here, definitely you can talk through your iPathway. You can speak through your iPathway, like talk through it. Like you want to say something, like for example, if you want to detect into your iPad, like it works like your iPad, it's a digital notebook. If you want to dictate into your digital notebook, you can use your pathway definitely. And this is actually a way of actually talking into your notebook. Like you want to say something, you want to explain something, and if your teacher is actually teaching, it gets into your notebook without writing anything. You don't have to do anything. Just put your modular code of your teacher here. I want to tell you something that every human have different modular code. In this dispensation, we might not have a human might have up to 100 modular code. Modular code for behavior, modular code for school, modular code for housing materials, modular code for talking, modular code for sleeping, modular code for different things definitely. So we're going to put the teacher modular code here for teaching, and we're going to instruct this iCloud to her definitely. So when she talks, since our eye pathway is enabled, definitely we'll see her words coming into our computer, into the digital notebook, and then you see you see the word actually moving as she's talking. It's actually instructing. The pathway is instructing that voice into the computer and it's moving, and then we can translate. We can correct with true grammatology. We can also instruct the phrases too, and we can also instruct dictionaries too. Through the dictionary, we can do a lot through the dictionary. We have voices. We can alter the voice of our teacher definitely, and also alter our voices too when we talk. And this also serves as a camera definitely, so we can use it for streaming definitely, like iChat streaming. When we keep iChat streaming, as we are in the classroom, other people can see us and see the teacher, and hear us and hear the teacher. And live AI definitely is also working with the streaming definitely. When you keep IA live, throughout your lecture period, your mother can see you, your brother can see you, your sisters can see you, all your families can see you in the classroom while you learn. And we know definitely these are applicable to classrooms, seminars, conference, training centers, lab studios, softwares, and keyboards, definitely. So we can make music here, definitely, by using the pathway to instruct our voices into the digital notebook and make music too. So this is a new application of pathway definitely. That means definitely that we can get our voices into a little computer Get the teacher voices into the computer and get all the family voices into the computer. Translate them and make them our notebook. So this notebook can store up to a tentillion of all your teachings. So this notebook is applicable to that you can have it for life, unless you want to buy a new one and it's old. This is the beautiful part of notebook actually, and I want you all to understand something definitely, that in this digital notebook it speaks louder than the rest. So I hope you enjoyed it. Get yourself buckled up. It's called Digital Notebook, DN. It's called DN, created by Aliyo Momot. Not created by a demon, but created by Aliyo Momot, your God. Bye.